keyword research. I'm using the Cardiff Barbers as an example for a couple of the posts and how-tos. So we'll just do simple keyword research here. So what I do is I just go to Google and type keyword tool. And you don't even have to click anything, it's always the first one. It's the adwords.google.com and then keyword tool. Then I click that. And then this is the AdWords Google keyword tool. And then you just enter a phrase. So, I mean, I could try Cardiff Barbers, but I really doubt that's going to come up because it's going to be too little. I can do San Diego Barbers, maybe North San Diego Barbers, and then we'll just see what happens. You have to do a little code here. And now it's going to come up with Cardiff Barbers. Okay, so 22 local monthly searches. There's actually a Cardiff in another country. I've looked it up before, so that's probably what it's pulling the global for. But it does get 22 searches a month. I thought it'd be 0, so that's interesting. And then it shows the competition, low, medium, and high. Those are the 3 tiers for that. Global is global. It's just all around the world. Local is the U.S. So you just want to keep searching stuff until you find the keywords, and then it does give you a bunch of suggestions. So San Diego barbershops, that gets 1,300 hits a month. Barbershops in San Diego, barber school, all this different stuff. Since Cardiff Barbers does get hits, I'm just going to put that in there, and then we'll just go from there for this post. If in the future posts I would do like San Diego Barbers in the title and then just put that in there. So that's what I'm going to go with. So in the post title, I would put, Cardiff Barbers, maybe in Cardiff by the Sea, California. And I would put that as the title, and then you'll see the permalink pop up here in a second. So it's Cardiff Barber and then Cardiff by the Sea. So that'll all be read in Google. So that's a good way to do keyword research. Also for the keywords within the post, which I'll go into a little bit further, you want to have the keyword density between about 2.5 and 3.5% or somewhere around there. And I'll write a whole article on that as well, just for the keyword density. But there's a built-in tool in the WordPress program that we have set up, so you can actually see, once you're typing your post out, see the keywords, see how many times they pop up, and what the keyword density is. It'll give you percentages right here. And then also, you want to use the keywords that you search for online that have hits within the article, spread out within the article, as well as you want to put those down here. So this is an all-in-one SEO pack. You just put the title, so I would put, Cardiff Barbers. I would just basically use the same title as I did up above. Cardiff by the Sea, California. Description, this description will be, if you've ever seen on Google, the first 2 or 3 sentences that's in the Google search bar, that's where this description is. So you're going to want 1 or 2 keywords in here in the description. Also, if you share this on a social network such as like Facebook, this is what will be read in the link. So it'll come up here, whatever you type in here, this will show up on the little link in Facebook, and then you just put in a bunch of keywords here. So I'd do like Cardiff, maybe San Diego Barbers, even San Diego Barbers in here, and I would just put a whole bunch of keywords down here, and then you're all done on that. So that's just a little intro to keyword research. It does take some time. You just kind of got to fool around with it, but it's definitely worth it. So I would just do that. And there are other tools out there that people use, and the different tools will have different numbers. I just use this one. It may not be exactly accurate, but I just need to see, if it gets some searches or just kind of an estimate, and that's close enough for me. If you want to look into some of the other ones, you're more than welcome to.